Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned about image maps in HTML. Today we are going to learn about div tag and span tag in HTML, and after that we will learn the difference between div tag and span tag. In fact, there is only one difference between div tag and span tag. So they are completely similar and only one difference is there, which we are going to discuss today. So let's open Sublime Text and open this file in browser. Now let's minimize the browser and go back to Sublime Text. And now let's add the div tag. And let's learn why do we use the div tag. So right now we are only learning HTML. So for now div tag is of no use to us. But if we are using CSS, JavaScript or other languages linked with our HTML file, then this div tag will be useful. Div tag is used to combine a bunch of tags into one single group. So if we want to apply a single style to the whole group, then we use the div tag. For example, we want the first part of the website to be blue color and the second part of the website to be green color. So we have to give both div tags and then give height equal to 50% to each of them, and then we have to give background color using CSS. We can't give background color through HTML. We have to use CSS for that. So we know that div tag is used to group elements, and span tag is also used to group elements. So let's learn the difference between both of them. So right now, between the div tag, let me write Venky's channel, and now let me copy this line of code and then paste it again. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now we can see that both this text have come in two different lines. You saw that I did not include any break tag or the BR tag between both of these texts, but still they are in two different lines. Now similarly, let's do this with span tag. So let me copy this text and then remove the div tags, and then let me add the span tag, and between span tags let me write Venky's channel, and let me copy this line of code and then paste it in the next line. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now we can see that both of these are not in different lines, they are in one single line. So div tag occupies the complete width of the browser, while span tag occupies only the required amount of width of the browser. So if we give a background color to div without specifying the width, it will by default be 100%. So default width of a div tag is 100%. Friends, hope you have understood clearly about the div tag and the span tag and the difference between both of these. In the next video, we are going to learn about HTML5. Bye friends.